In today's episode, we take a quick train from Osaka to Nara, meet the famous free-roaming deer, get chased for crackers. I even get bitten.
Oh, I just got bitten.
We check out ancient temples, hear the shrine gong, try some mochi, and explore the whole Nara Park area, all in one easy day trip. Today we're heading out from Osaka for a quick day trip to Nara, and honestly, it's one of the easiest side trips you can make. If you're staying in Osaka, it's even closer than coming from Kyoto, and the trains are super convenient. After a short connection from our hotel, we jumped on the train from Nipponbashi station. It's a really straightforward ride. Just follow the signs, hop on the right line, and you'll be in Nara before you know it. On the way there, I asked the kids what they were most looking forward to.
Deer.
And the other, well, she was completely speechless. She had no idea what was going on. And to be honest, as you'll see in a moment, neither did we.
So for today's adventure, we're at Nara Park, and we've just caught the train in from Nipponbashi station in Osaka, and we're about to head up and see if we can find some deer to feed.
From the station, it's a short walk, and suddenly, there they are. Deer everywhere, just casually hanging out like it's the most normal thing in the world. Nara's deer are believed to be sacred. According to legend, a Shinto deity once arrived in Nara riding a white deer, and ever since then, the deer have been considered messengers of the gods. That's why they freely roam through the parks and streets, and why they're so comfortable around visitors.
Did someone bring them forward?
So the drill is you buy your rice cracker and you hold it up high. And as they bow, then you hand it over to them.
I bought some deer crackers, and this is where things got interesting. I was trying to film a nice calm moment, and then one bit me.
As you head on in, there's a man selling rice crackers for 200 yen, and you get about, oh, I just got bitten by one on the hip. So they can get a little bit aggressive, so you've got to be careful.
Not hard, but enough to make me rethink my life choices. And as you'll see, they were not shy about harassing me for more food.
We're being attacked here by the deer. They're very hungry, and when they see the rice crackers,
Hold it high.
they swarm all over you.
Let's just say, be prepared. They may bow politely, but they also move fast.
Alicia, what advice would you give to people?
So don't feed one deer more than one. Otherwise, you'll run out of crackers if we feed it a million times. So just like feed them once, and if they're being a bit annoying, just don't try to run as fast because they can jump over the fence. Tried it. It almost knocked over me.
Meanwhile, the locals, or at least the more experienced travellers, clearly knew what they were doing. Perfect cracker technique, calm, collected, zero biting. I learned a lot just by watching them. After escaping my new deer fan club, we wandered into the temple areas. Nara has some amazing cultural sites, including Todaiji Temple. We also heard someone gonging at one of the shrines. That's part of a Shinto ritual where visitors ring the bell to purify themselves and get the attention of the gods before praying. Of course, we had to try some local mochi. Chewy, sweet, and honestly, the perfect little energy boost while exploring the park.
Okay, we're on the way back to Nara Station and we saw some mochi being sold on the street. You can taste it's like a peanutty taste on the outside. And so red bean paste in the middle. See that? Mochi is actually rice that's just been processed and worked through until it becomes very softy, chewy.
After wandering the area, playing with the deer, visiting the temples and snacking our way through the park, we headed back to Osaka. It's such an easy trip, and honestly, Nara looks like a lovely place to stay too if you want something a bit slower paced. So that was our day exploring Nara, deer, temples, snacks, and a little bit of chaos. Have you visited Nara before? What was your experience like? Did the deer behave for you, or did you get mobbed like I did? And if you haven't been yet, what would you be most excited to see? Thanks for watching, and if you're enjoying this Japan series, feel free to subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure.